Hello, this is George. Welcome back to George Basics Crypto channel. Gate.io listed CULTDAO token today, and I decided to make this video and show you guys how to buy CULTDAO token on Gate.io with low fees without gas fees. So this will be step-by tutorial on buying CULTDAO on Gate.io, so watch this video until the end. Don't forget click the like button and don't forget subscribe. And also remember that this is not financial advice and I'm not financial advisor. When things goes to crypto, you should always do your own research before you make the decision. The first thing you need to have is Gate.io account. If you don't have Gate.io account, just click the sign up link in the description of this video. There are some bonuses for new users. Click this link and start registration on Gate.io. But before that, please check this red list below because there are restrictions for some countries, and please read this list before you start registration. Also, I want to remind you that there are some bonuses for new users. For example, complete beginners tasks and claim $100 Gate.io points. Trade and claim 5,500 worth of USDTs. Gate.io is stable and reliable since 2013, provides more than 1,000 currencies digital trading assets. So fill all of the gaps with your personal information and make an account on Gate.io. After you will finish this process, then log into your account. So we can start buying CULTDAO on Gate.io. This is very simple, just follow my steps. The next thing we need to do is to deposit USDT on Gate.io, because to buy CULTDAO we need to swap USDT to it. So first of all, you should go to buy crypto. There are three options, you can choose one of them, but I prefer to use credit card. So I will go to credit cards page. In the right gap, I should choose USDT. Here's a search bar, just type USDT in it, and in the left gap you should enter the amount of USD you are going to pay. For example, minimum payment is 30 USD. So here are some service providers, you can use any of them. For example, MoonPay has got 0 fees at the moment. I will show you Banksa because they have very low fees, because they have got low fees. So we are paying 30 USD and we will receive 28.28 USDT, and the fees will be all in 59 cents. So check this and go to purchase. If everything is correct, click create order and finalize your payment. After you will finish this process, then you can check your USDT wallet. To do this, go to wallet in the top right corner and click spot account. Here will be your USDT wallet and your balance. So now everything is ready to buy CULTDAO token. So guys, CULTDAO token is very popular nowadays. More and more people are investing money in it. You can check there are a lot of buys in the last few hours. The number of holders are getting near to 14,000. I think that CULTDAO is one of the best cryptocurrencies to buy in April 2022, but remember that this is not financial advice, this is just my opinion. So let's get back to work, and now I will show you how to buy CULTDAO on Gate.io. So to buy CULTDAO on Gate.io, you should go to trade and click spot trading. In the left corner you can see the search bar, type CULT here and choose CULT to USDT. Here will be gap named total USDT. Just type the amount of USDT you are going to pay in this gap, and this is the amount of CULTDAO tokens you would receive for this amount of USDT. To buy CULTDAO, click buy, enter your fund pass and create the order. After you will buy CULTDAO, you can check your wallet, go to wallet once again and click spot account. Here you will find out your CULTDAO balance. So that's all, it's very simple. We bought CULTDAO on Gate.io with very low fees without gas fees. If you are new on Gate.io, I suggest you to continue using Gate.io, especially if you are a beginner. This is great platform. It's in top 10 crypto exchanges in the world, and it's one of the top platforms for crypto trading. So that's all I wanted to tell you in this video. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking like button, and thank you for subscribing. See you in the next video.